Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Triple Shoes channel. We're going to be continuing with the Scratch Infinite Runner today, so we're going to be making obstacles. Let's jump straight in. First thing I want to do is make a new sprite. I'm going to just choose a sprite because why not? And for the sprite I'm going to just choose some bananas. We're going to half the size of those bananas and we're going to stick them on the floor. I'm going to rename this to obstacles. I cannot spell to save my life. I apologize. There we go, obstacles. I'm going to I'm going to choose a costume. I'm going to keep choosing like some costumes. So we're going to have a basketball. We're going to have a nothing. We're going. Okay, I did the right thing. We're going to have a bear. Bro, we're going to have a butterfly. We're going to have a cheesy puffs. You can have anything, I swear. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to events. When I receive game, we want to hide, and we want to wait some time. Let's wait 4 seconds because I'm feeling quite nice. Then we want a repeat, and let's just do a 5. Repeat 5, and then let's wait. Pick random. Let's say 1.5 to 3 seconds, and then we want to create a clone. Control create a clone of myself, and then we can duplicate this I believe twice. We duplicate it twice, and we want to change this 5 here to a 6, this to a 7. Actually, let's get rid of that, and then let's grab a forever, and I believe we just duplicate those in there. Let's change some of these timings, however. This will make the game harder, by the way. So if we do 1.25 to 2.5 seconds, let's just say, and then let's do 1 to 2 seconds, and then let's do 0.75 to 1.5 seconds. This will make the game a lot harder, and it's really random on when everything happens. So then let's when I start as clone, we want to go to a position. And that position is right on the edge of the screen. So let's set it to, where's the edge of the screen? 250? Oh, 246. Let us set it to 240, let's say. So we want to go to positive 240 on the Y, and the same 130, so minus 130 there. We then want to repeat. Let's repeat, and then a random amount of times. So let's just do 1 to 5. That's default. Oh no, it's 1 to 10. That's the default. And then we want next costume. Then we want to show, and then we want to repeat until again. But this time we want a triangular block. We want to repeat until the X position is, oh wait, no, not equal to. We want less than, because just in case the game doesn't pick it up, we want to just eliminate everything after it. And that position is minus 239, let's say, because I believe 490 minus 240 wouldn't work. So here we want to change the X by a constant -8, let's just say, because that seems quite genuine. And then let's go to control, if then touching the player, broadcast, and then we're going to make it so when you die, the menu comes back up. So we're going to call this menu, you can call it death, you can call it whatever you want. and then we want to delete the clone. But not only do we want to put that there, we want to put that there as well. So now once we have done that, we want to, when I receive, so events, when I receive menu, we want to stop all other scripts in the sprite, and we want to delete this clone. Now we want to go back to the player, go scroll down, events, when I receive menu, we want the player to go to -175,130. Once we get there, we want to set score to 0, and then we want to go to the play button sprite. When I receive menu, just duplicate all of that. Now we want to just put that in the title as well. Lovely. So now we should have pretty much a full functioning game. As you can see, the ball comes over, the banana comes over, the ball comes over, the bear comes over. Oh, this is why we test, people. This is why we test. So just want to get rid of that, duplicate that block, put that there, and for this one it's correct. And that bear was a bit too big, so let's shrink this bear just a little bit. There we go. So now let's continue playing. Eventually, after a while, as you can see, obstacles start coming in. There's the butterfly. That was a bit annoying. That's unfortunate. So I think what we should do is change the jump height of the player. So let's change it by 12, and we're going to obviously now to change that to -12. And obstacles, we want to set the obstacles. It's -130, right? Is everything centered? I did not mean to do that. That's centered. That's centered. That's centered. That's centered. Cheesy puffs, that's centered. Maybe we need to change it down a bit. So they are stuck on 149. You can see there, you know, cheesy puffs, bananas. They do like arrive quite quickly, and I just lost, which is unfortunate. So that will be it for this tutorial. If you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.